Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
Good morning, students. Today, we will learn about a conversation between a mother and her daughter. Hi, honey. How was school today?
Hi, Mom. It was good.
What did you learn today?
We learned about animals in science class.
Which animal did you learn about?
We learned about lions.
What did the teacher say about lions?
Lions are strong and live in groups.
Do you know what a group of lions is called?
Yes. It's called a pride.
Very good. Did you do anything else in science class?
We watched a video about the jungle.
Did you like the video?
Yes. It was cool. I saw many animals.
Which animal did you like the most?
I liked the elephant. It was so big.
Elephants are amazing. Did you have math today?
Yes. We had math after lunch.
What did you learn in math?
We learned about adding and subtracting.
Did you have any problems with it?
A little. But I asked the teacher.
Did the teacher help you?
Yes. She explained it well.
That's great. How was your lunch?
It was yummy. I had a sandwich.
What kind of sandwich?
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Did you have any fruits?
Yes, I had an apple.
Apples are healthy. Did you play with your friends?
Yes, we played badminton.
How was the game?
It was amazing.
Wow, that's awesome. Who did you play with?
I played with Tina and Zara.
Are they your best friends?
Yes, we always play together.
Did you have art class today?
Yes, we did some painting.
What did you paint?
I painted a picture of a tree.
I'd love to see it. Did you bring it home?
No, it's drying at school.
That's okay. Did you learn any new words today?
Yes, we learned the word gigantic.
What does it mean?
It means very, very big.
Good job. Did you have any tests today?
No, but we have one tomorrow.
What is the test about?
It's a spelling test.
Have you studied for it?
Yes, I practiced the words.
Great. Do you feel ready?
Yes, I think I am ready.
I know you'll do great. Did you do anything fun after school?
I went to the playground with Dad.
What did you do at the playground?
We played on the swings and slides.
That sounds like fun. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I had so much fun.
I'm glad. Are you hungry now?
Yes, I am a little hungry.
How about some milk and cookies?
Yay! I love cookies. Thanks, Mom.
Did you get any homework today?
Yes, I have to read a chapter from my book.
What's the book about?
It's about a boy who travels to space.
That sounds exciting. Do you like the story?
Yes, it's really fun to imagine being in space.
Did you make any new friends today?
Yes, I met a new kid named Lily.
What did you and Lily talk about?
We talked about teddy bears and toys.
What's your favorite game right now?
I like playing Minecraft the most.
What do you like to build in Minecraft?
I love building castles with secret rooms.
That's creative. Do you play Minecraft with your friends?
Yes, we sometimes play together online.
Did you learn any new songs in music class today?
Yes, we learned a song about the seasons.
Which season is your favorite?
I love summer because we can go swimming.
Swimming is fun. Do you know how to swim well?
Yes, I'm pretty good at it now.
Did you have any snacks during recess?
Yes, I had some crackers and cheese.
Do you prefer salty snacks or sweet ones?
I like sweet snacks more, like cookies.
Did you help anyone today?
Yes, I helped Emily pick up her books when they fell.
That was very kind of you. How did she thank you?
She gave me a big smile and said, "Thanks."
Did you do any art projects today?
Yes, we made collages with magazine cutouts.
What was your collage about?
I made a collage of animals from around the world.
That's wonderful. Do you enjoy doing art?
Yes, it's one of my favorite things at school.
Are you ready for bed now?
Yes, I'm getting a bit sleepy.
Do you want me to read you a bedtime story?
Yes, please. I love when you read to me.
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!